In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an Elementor Template Kit in WordPress. If you're looking to give your WordPress site a fresh new look quickly and without much hassle, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Elementor, a popular page builder plugin for WordPress, has a variety of ready-made templates that you can use. These can make designing your site easier and much more efficient. So, let's get started. First, you need to ensure that you have both the Elementor plugin and the Elementor Pro plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that already, you can find them in the WordPress plugin repository. Just search for Elementor and follow the prompts to install and activate both plugins. Having both is crucial because template kits require Elementor Pro for full functionality. Once your plugins are ready to go, the next step is to navigate to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Template Kits library. The journey begins by clicking on Templates in the sidebar menu and then selecting Add New. In the drop-down options, you'll see Template Kit. Click on it, which will then allow you to import a kit. Your next task is to browse for a kit that suits your needs. You can either import what you have already downloaded or browse the Elementor library for available kits. If you're selecting from the library, it's a simple process of browsing through the kits to find one that fits your site style or business needs. Click Install Kit to bring it onto your site. This could take a moment, so just be patient as the files are being transferred. After the installation, you'll want to review the pages that have been imported to ensure everything is aligned with your brand. Head to the Pages or Posts under your WordPress dashboard and select a page to edit. Open it with Elementor, and you'll see the templates layout. Now is your chance to customize it to your heart's content. Elementor's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, allowing you to click on any element and adjust its style, content, or overall layout. Take your time to go through each section adjusting colors, fonts, images, or any other elements to better match your design vision. If you're working with a team, get their feedback to ensure consistency in branding and aesthetics before you go live. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Update button in Elementor to ensure all your customizations are saved on your page. With that, you're done. You can now preview your site to see the new look in action. And there you have it, a ready-to-use Elementor template kit that can elevate your WordPress site substantially. With just a few simple steps, your site gains a new level of professionalism, tailored specifically to your needs. Feel free to explore other kits and keep experimenting with different styles to keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy designing!